Hi guys, good morning. Um, just came here at the house in the upper house to check. But yeah, this is our upper house now. This is just an update. But our furniture, guys, is look at because of the Odette there, and we have no budget yet to buy the new one. So I just cleaned it, and our lounge is also damaged by Odette there. Yeah. So, and our old Christmas tree, I just I just make the Christmas tree here decorated. I found it in the box. So I just tried to reconnect it, and then that's the outcome. So guys, yeah. And when I go, oh, look at that. This one here, guys. Uh, we wanted it to make a room, so it will become 3 rooms. There, one room there, and one room there, and this is the third one. But we are still waiting for our budget. So yeah, guys, good. Our TV was not damaged during the Odette, so we have still the TV here. Yeah, I'm just arranging the leftover of the TV of the toys of my grandchildren are also here. I have found some of the dolls of my grandchildren, so I just display it here. So when I miss them,